back. And I am Adeline Early.
I'm Reagan Thompson.
I'm Lillian Early.
I'm Gianna Mans.
And we are the hosts of the Tales for Tales reading program, instructional program.
Today is all about
words. So let's get into the video. Whoop.
Today we are going to on to our first craft, and I am making a stained glass parrot stained glass thing.
You can also make a hummingbird.
Yeah.
Or whatever's in there.
And
you're gonna need to use your tape that comes in your kit
To take it down. So you're gonna take your
paintbrush and
your black
glue
paint.
paint thing.
And it's okay if your line is thick.
It will just rise up more when it dries.
You're gonna paint the line.
So we'll get back to you after we paint our lines.
And if you made a mistake on your stained glass thingamajig, you can always, if I made a couple mistakes and I wet it down with a Clorox wipe, or since you guys are at home, you guys can rinse it off with water.
But just
And
dry it
also
off.
wipe it down with a paper towel, because if you paint with it wet, it'll get like all splotchy.
Or you can always just let it dry and then go back onto your stained glass. And
So we gotta let this dry, and then we're gonna use our paint to paint the insides of it. The inside to make it all colorful. And we'll be right back when this is dry.
And after this dries, use your
Paint
from the registration kit and then hang it on your window. And
It will be beautiful.
so, yeah, have fun with that.
Wait.
And our next craft is feather bookmarks. And here's our examples. So
you're going to pick your desired feather from the sheet of feathers.
don't cut it out perfectly, just like round it sort of. So then you're going to put your string even with like the stem thingy part of the leaf and up the middle. Then you're going to tape it down with the washi tape. So it'll end up being like this. Yeah. But whatever tape you
it's okay if it's not perfect because I don't mind.
And since you'll have extra on the ends, you'll want to just put your tape all the way down. So that way you can cut it out after and cut off the extra pieces of tape. And
Kind of like this.
yeah, and if you have any extra washi tape like that you have at home and a parent's okay with you using, you can use some of those designs too.
Say, tape it on the box side so you can you can see them.
and don't mess up like
Yeah, so tape it on the back side as a friendly reminder so you know where to cut and it does not turn out a blob.
Yeah, I thought
But you can still make a beautiful feather with it and just go.
So you can make a beautiful blob.
yeah,
It's a beautiful blob.
This is a feather. That's a blob.
So our next craft is going to be a glider. It's going to look like this in the end. So for this craft, you'll need straws,
paper and scissors.
You need washi tape.
You need your You do not need
No,
washi
not
tape.
washi tape.
You need
masking
the
tape.
masking tape. And first you're gonna cut on your cardstock paper one up like this way, and so you're gonna cut it like that.
And then one going the other way.
You got that one, and then one is going this way.
So it'll kind of be like, this will be your bigger circle, sort of. Yeah. And then your smaller one will be like that.
This.
And once you're done cutting, you can grab your straws. You can use one or two. Miss Jennifer just made one, just did one, but you can do two, one on this side and one on that side.
You can also
And-
just make 2 airplanes, 2 gliders.
And once you're done with that, you can make a circle and then put your straw like that and then just
Tape it on.
have your tape and just tape it on. And then go to the next one and then you have a glider and you can, if you have more straws like at your house, you can always use those for gliders too.
And have fun!